Did you ever think a Ford SUV would be able to compete with the most advanced luxury crossovers on the planet? No? Neither did I. But then I drove the 2016 Ford Explorer Platinum. It's a $54,760 shot at the best from Lexus, Volvo, and Land Rover. Can Ford deliver a similar experience for less? Let's find out. On the outside, it looks like a normal Explorer, which is a very good thing, because the current Explorer is one fine-looking machine. It is large, but all that space is put to good use on the inside. Starting in the back, you can open up the rear door 4 different ways. With the remote, with the button on the back, with a button up front, or just wave your foot under it. Even with the third row up, there's still a nice amount of storage that sits deep in the chassis. Hit a button and the seats do a little dance before stowing flat, revealing an impressive amount of storage space. How well does a full-size adult fit in the third row? Head and legroom is actually very good for the category, though passengers over 6 feet tall won't want to be back there very long. Our second row was upgraded with deep bucket seats that slide forward and back. They're also heated, which is a standard feature on the Platinum. The quilted leather here and everywhere in this car is really quite exceptional. It's supple to the touch and quite attractive. Our test car had the center seat deleted and replaced with a large console, good for extra storage. But to experience one of the most surprising luxury features in this Explorer Platinum, you have to move to the first row, where a touch of the button engages the built-in massage units. They make even the longest journey more comfortable. As if luxury marks needed any more reason to be nervous about this rig, the front seats are also heated and cooled. Other luxury touches include wood-grain accents in the trim, excellent materials throughout, and advanced safety features that luxury buyers usually have to pay extra for. This vehicle here came standard with a rear-view camera, object sensors all around, a front-mounted 180-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, collision detection, and adaptive cruise control. And for drivers that never seem to be able to find a comfortable position, in addition to infinite adjustability in the memory seat, the pedal height is also adjustable. But technology isn't just employed for safety, it's also fun. The main gauges are a customizable digital display, and the center stack includes a large high-definition system with My Ford Touch. This unit is feature-rich, with the ability to search for nearby interests in the navigation system, support for mobile media devices, as well as HD and XM radio. With all these features, the Explorer is looking pretty good compared to the luxury brands. But the one thing that luxury usually does exceptionally well is provide powerful drivetrains. The Ford Explorer has that covered as well. Our test car came with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. That means it has a twin turbocharger for 365 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. It's connected through a 6-speed automatic transmission that also features several all-wheel drive modes, similar to what you would find on a Land Rover or a Lexus. EPA rates economy at 16 miles to the gallon city and 22 on the highway. Ford says it's V8 power with V6 economy. Those numbers prove it. The standard 7.8 inches of ground clearance may limit the Explorer's off-road adventures to trailheads and plowed snow roads. For deep snow and adventures far off the beaten path, the Land Rover is still a better bet, at almost twice the price of this Explorer. Luckily, that's not a feature most large SUV buyers want or need. And as you can see, we're still having fun with this Explorer, even without roads. Once we found pavement, the Explorer provided a driving experience that was simply excellent. It felt powerful and relatively nimble for its size. We didn't have anything available to tow, but Ford claims up to 5,000 pounds of towing, and that's easy to believe. The engine had more than enough oomph to do whatever we asked of it. Passing is a breeze, and with the high seating position, it gives the driver a commanding view. Driving the new Explorer makes it easy to see why there are so many of these on the road. Big, practical, even fun to drive, and now with enough bells and whistles to attract even luxury market buyers, the Ford Explorer is still a great deal, even when it's loaded. To test drive the newest from Ford, visit your local AutoNation Ford dealer. Get started at AutoNation.com today. I'm your host, Ryan Douthit. Thanks for watching.